welcome to IndianExpress.com, Nusrat and Raj. Raj, you play a PT teacher, and getting that kind of body language and needs a lot of observation. So, how did you work on your character?
Well, I was always very active when it comes to sports and physical training in my school. I've seen PT teachers very closely because I spent a lot of time with my own PT teachers in school. So I had some references in my mind, but then a lot of it was there in the script itself. My responsibility was just to be honest to the given material.
Nusrat, the last I can think of a hot teacher is Sushmita Sen in Main Hoon Na.
But that's what it is. I'm just simple, not hot. Simple, pretty girl.
Yeah, but what was your inspiration for the character you're playing in the film?
I think my inspiration was what I took from the kids. I like children a lot, and we had some great children on set. They were amazing to be around and work with, and just being around them kind of gave me a lot that I took from them and helped me give it back in the same way in the character.
Raj, Chhalang is that rare film where you and Hansal sir seem to have fun because you both usually collaborate on serious films. So what was the experience of working on a film like Chhalang was? Was it difficult? Was it easy?
No, it wasn't difficult, I would say, and also it wasn't easy. The situations that we were shooting in were pretty tough, especially weather-wise. We were shooting in extreme cold, and then we were shooting in extreme, summers. The kind of films we have done earlier, those characters were mentally very taxing for both of us, to portray those stories. But here, it was more about understanding the character and the situation, and then having fun with those lines and having fun in that scene. Zishan's character, he comes in.
Yeah.
It takes a turn. The whole film takes a turn. So it becomes very aspirational. And Hansal sir he's a funny guy. He loves having fun on sets.
Nusrat, Raj and Hansal sir have had back-to-back critically acclaimed films. Were you nervous in the beginning to become a part of this team?
Very, very, very nervous. I think I must have gone and eaten everybody's brains behind the monitor. Did you see the take? What did you think? आपको कैसा लगा? नहीं, आपको क्या लगा? आपको क्या लगा? मैंने सबको पूछा कि कोई तो बता दो कि कुछ और करना है. मैं एक और करके कुछ और ट्राई करती हूँ. कुछ आ गया तो मतलब ले लो 2-3 और take. Just like everybody else, I also thought Hansal sir was a very strict and very serious sort of filmmaker. And he really needs your actors to kind of be in the zone at all times and really focus and concentrate. And I was just like, मैं क्या करूँ? How should I begin and where should I how should I take this? But वो पहले ही दिन इन सबने मेरे पे prank खेल दिया, and that just broke the ice. And from that moment onwards, it's just been chill. I don't remember set पे आके हंसल सर ने मुझे कभी बोला है कि इस scene को 2-3 बार rehearse करते हैं, practice करते हैं. I don't think he's ever done that. He's always said, you know it. You have to make her come alive. Just go there and just be yourself and do it.
Raj, this film also has Zishan. You worked with him earlier. Tell us, how was it to collaborate after such a long time on this project?
Zishan is a very, very fine actor. I'm a fan of Zishan, honestly. I love being with him off screen and on screen as well. I worked with him on Shahid earlier, and there also he was fantastic. And then on Chhalang, I think I couldn't have asked for a better co-actor to play Singh than Zishan. So I'm we are actually very blessed that we have an actor like Zishan to play this part, because he's not your typical antagonist. He's also someone who believes in his ideologies and who's also standing for something which he thinks is right. And Zishan, I think, brought in that humanity in this character.
You've mostly played this character who comes from a small town. So how was this character different from what you've played before?
Well, his background is different. His circumstances are different. He's from a different region. He is very different from whatever I've done in Bareilly or Stree or Made in China. These are different characters. They are nowhere related to each other. And that's what I try in all my films, no matter if he's from a small town as well. But there's so many characters in small towns also. There's so many stories coming from heartlands. So you can't really say these two characters, they should sound the same or look the same just because they're from small towns.
Raj, needless to say that you and Hansel sir made for a hit duo. But if you have to tell me the USP of Chalang, what would that be?
You know, it's Hansel sir's realism meeting Love sir's writing. So I think it's a great marriage. So people will get entertained, people will get inspired, and also people will relate with these characters.
But is it a pressure as people expect only the best to come from you as an actor and also Hansel sir as a director?
My best is yet to come. My best is still not out. So I'm waiting for that best to come out. I try and make all these characters. I try and portray them with the best of my capabilities. No, I don't think about pressure actually, you know, honestly. I can't really, and also I can't work under pressure. Especially as an actor, you can't think about 10,000 things and then perform a scene, which is, whatever you're doing, you're making someone laugh, you're making someone cry. You have to be in that moment.
So, since you're a PT teacher, you have to teach me and Nusrat 4 PT moves.
Yeah. Then you have to jump. Yeah. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
और का नीचे अच्छा.
Up, side, down.
And 4 situations where you'd probably say दारू पियोगे? नहीं, दारू पिलाओगे. Sorry, दारू पियोगे नहीं. दारू पिलाओगे.
If I've had a really tough day, I would want to sit down and say, कोई दारू पिलाएगा मुझे? It's a bad day today. 2, if my film doesn't work well at the box office and I'm really really sad that it didn't do well, I'd be like, hi guys, कोई दारू पिलाएगा? खुश रहते हैं, हंसते हैं, अब जो हो गया. Maybe I would try it on a guy. मतलब इस फिल्म से मुझे मिला है वो डायलॉग कि अगर एक लड़के को एक पिकअप लाइन जो होती है या एक फ्लर्टिंग की लाइन जो होती है, हाय दारू पिलाएगा? चलो. So maybe that. And 4th, at a party, I'll tell the bartender, दारू पिलाओगे? पिलाओ. Maybe that.
And last is there's a dialogue from the trailer. अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
Yeah.
So that I'm going to give two emotions to both of you. First, let's start with Raj. Raj, you have to say it in melodramatic way.
Melodramatic.
हाँ.
अब अपनी गली में ना कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
क्या बात.
And next emotion for you is funny.
Nusrat.
अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
Very nice.
Next is for Nusrat in a very romantic way.
अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
You both have to do since Raj bailed on one. So next is going to be angry, like really Sunny Deol wala angry.
Listen, I'm in a hotel room. There are people around me, so I can't be like Sunny Paji. अपनी गली में ना कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
अपनी गली में तो कुत्ता भी शेर होता है.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. जाते जाते बस ये बता दीजिए कि when are we supposed to watch the film and why?
This Diwali, November 13th.
13th
कहाँ पर Nusrat?
Amazon Prime Video.
Yo.